Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that AT&T users might face in 2025, your modem blinking white. If you're seeing that steady or flashing white light, it could mean your device is trying to connect to the network, experiencing a firmware update, or even signaling a problem with your internet service. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through this step by step so you can get back online quickly. First things first, let's understand what this blinking white light typically indicates. For AT&T modems, a white light often means the device is in the process of booting up, searching for a signal, or dealing with a minor glitch. It's not always a red flag, but if it's been blinking for more than a few minutes, it's time to troubleshoot. Start with the basics. Power cycle your modem. Unplug the power cord from the back of the device, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple reset can fix temporary issues and allow the modem to reconnect properly. While you're at it, check all your cables. Ensure the Ethernet or coaxial cables are securely plugged in and not damaged. If that doesn't work, try restarting your router if you have a separate one. Sometimes, the modem and router need to sync up. Head to your AT&T app or online portal to check for any firmware updates. Updating your modem's software can resolve compatibility problems, especially with the latest 2025 tech standards. Still no luck? It's possible there's an outage in your area. Use the AT&T website or app to verify service status, or give customer support a call. They're usually pretty helpful. Remember, if you're under warranty or have a service plan, they might even send a technician. There you have it. Quick and easy steps to tackle that blinking white light on your AT&T modem. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay connected.